Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about the importance of linear regression. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Importance of linear regression. Linear regression is important for several reasons across various fields. Number 1. Prediction and forecasting. It's widely used for predicting future outcomes based on past data trends. This is crucial in fields like finance, stock market analysis, economics, forecasting economics indicators, and weather forecasting. Number 2, understanding relationships. Linear regression helps in understanding the relationships between dependent and independent variables. This is valuable in scientific research to identify which factors are significant predictors of certain outcomes. Number 3, model interpretation. The simplicity of linear regression models allows for easy interpretation of results compared to more complex models. This makes it accessible for stakeholders and decision makers to understand the implications of the data. We have here number 4, basis for more complex models. Many advanced machine learning algorithms have their roots in linear regression. Understanding linear regression is foundational for understanding more sophisticated regression techniques in neural networks. Number 5, assumption testing. It provides a framework for testing assumptions about data relationships such as linearity, independence of errors, and homoscedasticity. This helps ensure that the validity of statistical analysis. And then number 6, lastly, model evaluation. Techniques used in linear regression such as R-squared and hypothesis testing provides metrics for evaluating model performance and significance of predictors. In essence, linear regression serves as fundamental tool for both predictive modeling and statistical inference, making it indispensable in data-driven decision-making processes across industry. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation on the importance of linear regression. Thank you so much for watching and listening to my video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.